Hello and welcome to this tutorial on understanding the Excel interface. In this video, we'll cover the basics of using Excel, including the ribbon, navigating the worksheet, and working with toolbars and shortcuts. The ribbon is the strip of icons and commands at the top of the Excel window. It's divided into various tabs, such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab contains a group of related commands. For example, the Home tab contains groups such as Clipboard, Font, Alignment, and Number. Each group has its own set of commands that you can use to format your data, such as changing the font style, size, or color, aligning text, or formatting numbers. Navigating the worksheet is essential to working efficiently with Excel. The worksheet is made up of rows and columns. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. The active cell is the cell that is currently selected. To navigate the worksheet, you can use the scroll bars to move up and down, or left and right. You can also use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move from one cell to the next. If you want to go to a specific cell, you can use the Go to command in the Editing group on the Home tab. Another useful feature for navigating the worksheet is freeze panes and split screen. Freeze panes allows you to keep certain rows or columns visible as you scroll through the rest of the worksheet. Split screen divides the worksheet into 2 or 4 panes, which allows you to view different parts of the worksheet at the same time. The Quick Access toolbar is a customizable toolbar that you can use to access your commands. By default, it contains the Save, Undo, and Redo commands, but you can add or remove any command that you like. Using keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time when working with Excel. For example, you can use Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Ctrl+Z to undo. You can also use the F1 key to get help with any command. If you press Shift+arrows, you can select one or more cells. If you press Ctrl+arrows, you can quickly go directly to the next non-empty cell and navigate the worksheet faster. If you press Ctrl+Shift+arrows, you can select quickly all the cells between 2 non-empty cells. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you're interested in learning more about Excel, be sure to check out our other videos on the Excelling channel. We have a wide range of tutorials and tips that can help you become an Excel pro in no time. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create new videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.